Dedication to preserve the art of shoemaking and commitment to sustainability is what defines Astorflex. Today, we're talking about a brand that has the perfect fit for all seasons. With almost 200 years of experience, Astorflex not only prioritizes quality and comfort, but also sustainability, understanding that every decision we make, especially in fashion, must be environmentally conscious. Family-owned Italian shoe company that was founded in 1820s by the Travanzoli family has been passed down through generations. By 1965, the factory became Astorflex, and when Fabio Travanzoli inherited the company in 1984, the game changed. He brought Astorflex to the new area, to the modern area, by embracing innovation and evolution through a variety of different footwear styles. Since 1984, the ideal method became the preferred way of shoe construction, aligning perfectly with their foundational pillars, which are top quality, supreme wearability, and unmatched flexibility. The brand shifted gears to embrace a more sustainable path. They ensure transparency in each and every step of their business. Also, they have been implementing more eco-aware methodology into their process. If you value fashion and ethics equally, Astorflex is the brand for you. The lining and insoles are made of vegetable tanned calf leather, obtained by soaking the leather in a mixture of water, powdered oak bark, and mimosa, without using any dyes or color finishes. The process makes the leather healthier, hypoallergenic, and guarantees greater sweat absorption for dry, odorless feet. A style-forward and wearable, this brand has a number of different designs. There are examples of solid foundations, never skipping on details, with a must-have comfort in the best quality materials. Unique, yet stylish. Another example of style and comfort, which is a must-have in your closet, is the CityFlex style, a go-with-anything derby shoe. This style features a lace-up front and external stitching. Astorflex offers a mark of class every time you wear it. Other examples are the Beat Flex boots and the Green Flex boots. These boots are crafted from a top-notch Tuscan sole with an internal premium leather lining, with an amazing crepe sole that adapts to your foot in each step that you take. Stylish, comfortable, with an extra cushion, that's what defines this model. Astorflex designs are unique yet classic, offering sophistication with a combination of unmatchable comfort and durability. If you are planning on buying an Astorflex, but you do not know which model or style is going to suit you the best, don't forget to subscribe and watch our next video, because we are making a guide on how to choose your perfect fit.